Guys, check out my garden space. Like, oh my gosh, there's nothing I not plant here. There's nothing I not plant here, guys. Just check out my garden. Check out my garden. You see, this is banana coming out. These are my yams. Look at banana here. This one is almost ripening. Look at another one. Who said farming is not good? This one is ripe. See, can you guys see? Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me cut this one. Can you guys see? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you guys see? Like, it is so ripe. Oh, Father. Father, oh. This is so ripe, oh. Directly from the branch, oh. Guys, nobody to help me with the camera. I just have to do this myself. Wait. This thing is ripe, oh. Wow. Wow. Guys, I have banana in my house. It's already ripe. It's still on the branch. What do they call it? Thanks guys for watching. Bye.